Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to be painting a group of people going on a lantern walk. And we will start with some ultramarine blue. And here I'm painting it starting from the top of the paper, going down. And I'm alternating between painting with the paint and painting with water to loosen up the concentration of paint so that there are some white places on the paper so that it looks like the sky when there are a few clouds. So here I'm wetting this part at the bottom for later, and I'm adding the ground using Prussian blue because later on we will also add some yellow here to make some grass. But for now we're only putting on the Prussian blue to set where the ground will be. And again, I'm wetting this area over here where the lanterns will be because the water will help their lanterns glow. Now I'm painting with ultramarine blue over the water so that it will be very loose. I'm just making it all dark like the night. And I'm spreading it all over the paper. And still using some water. And then I wiped my brush very, very well. And now I'm placing 3 yellow dots. I drop the paint on and let it spread out. And now I am pushing the edges while leaving the centers very concentrated. I'm fading out the outside parts of the glow so that it blends with the blue and it looks like there is some light shining from the middle of these circles. So take your time when doing this part. Again, the strongest yellow will be in the middle and it will fade out onto a very pale yellow. Now that we have the glow behind, we can now start painting the lanterns in the middle. And for these, I'm just showing you one way to paint them, but you can paint any color of clothes, any color of lanterns, any shape of the people. I'm just showing you my way. Here I'm drawing with red paint and painting a hand outstretched towards the light. I'm using golden yellow for all of the skin parts, all of the faces and all of the hands. And I'm using red for the hair and the dress for this child. And I want to show you the shape of the lantern. What I do is I make 2 lines above and below for the lantern and then 2 curved lines on the sides like this, and I'm leaving the middle empty so that the light can come from there. And here I'm trying to decide what color the hair will be, and the blues will give you some darkness if you want more dark. Don't forget to add the feet of the people that you paint as well. You can add golden yellow in the middle of the lantern after you put in the structure of it. Now I'm placing here a hand above the lantern with golden yellow and a golden glow inside the lantern, and another lantern being held this time at the handle. This is a taller person here, maybe the father of this child. I'm again painting an outstretched hand, a body, and then from the hips I'm painting some pants. You can choose any color. You can blend the colors to make the clothes and the hair any color you like, and don't forget the feet again. So he's wearing red shoes, and here for now I'm putting red for the hair, putting gold for their faces. The gold is very good here for their hands and faces so that it looks like the glow of the lanterns are shining on their faces. I'm adding something to darken the hair. And I'm now going to paint the last person. Again, you can paint the people to look like however you want them to look. You don't necessarily have to follow my style. But the lanterns would be best if you can keep the middles empty like this so that you can see a glow. Again, I drew a hand outstretched, and then from there I paint the body, and then from the upper body I paint the lower body, some pants again. You can draw pants, you can draw shorts, you can draw skirts or dresses, any clothes that you like. You can design your people here. And again, don't forget the shoes. If you put golden yellow on top of the blue, it looks a bit brown or orange. Here, I'm putting dark hair again. It's really best to paint dark hair. I forgot to go over the little girl's hair, but that's fine. Now I'm adding yellow on the ground to put it on the sides of the path, and I'm leaving the path underneath their feet. If you can see here, I'm following where their feet landed, and I'm making sort of a swirling path. The yellow on top of the Prussian blue makes it look like they're walking on a path that is weaving across some grass. And here I'm adding more Prussian blue to put leaves in the sky so that I can make trees sort of embrace them as they walk. You can use the reds to make the trunks and the branches of the trees. You can blend the two reds here on your paper and make them reach from the ground up to the leaves that you painted. And there you go.